you smile when your skin feels like milk? How you smile when your skin feels like butter? Guess what I did? You won't believe what I did. But you can use this cream to get rid of. I was shocked. Like, I checked it in the afternoon. Like, I regret.
Yeah, I'm his little baddie. Yeah, I'm his little boo thing. And yeah, I got that fatty.
Hello beautiful people, hope you all are having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Akimble, and if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. I hope you like it. Yeah, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more videos. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Lizzie Akimble. So today's video is a skincare video and I'm so excited about it. I'll be telling you about this product, very effective and it is affordable. It is a triple action cream. It contains antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory. So weeks ago, yeah, a lady reached out to me. She emailed me and she was like, she would like me to review a product on my channel. I was like, okay fine, what product are you talking about? Then she was like, it is a cream. I told her my skin is very sensitive. She said, oh, this cream is really good, I would like you to talk about it. I said, okay fine, I'll give it to someone else to try. And then she was like, cool. I told her like, I can't come here and start telling my subscriber to get what I don't even know about or what I am not sure about. She kept insisting like, this cream is really good. So I was like, okay fine, let's just give it a try. And I made my research and then I got the cream. This is it, Olaybact cream, triple action cream. I've been using it and I just applied it today. This cream is very effective. If you're mixing your cream, I would advise you to add this to your cream to prevent any skin reaction. If you have cream reaction, like reaction after using so many cream on your skin, you need this cream to help you get rid of any reaction after waxing, after shaving. You know those tiny bumps now, all those rashes, you need this cream, you guys. And I'm so lucky I have a full pack of it. I am just so lucky, like I have a full pack and I actually gave one out and I don't mind sharing, but please, we have to keep it. I have to keep it because everybody needs this cream. We all need this cream at home. If you have not bought this cream, you are missing. And I guess it's made from India. This cream works for basically any skin reaction, any skin condition. And guess what? You can use it on your kids if they have eczema, rashes, whatever on their skin, hyperpigmentation. You can use it. And guess what I did here? The first time I was about to apply this cream, I had like pimples. I'll put a video for you guys to see, like a before and after video. I tried it for like 3 to 4 days and I was shocked, you guys. So I applied this cream on the pimple. I had like pimple here and some bumps. I don't know, I guess I had alcohol and I don't really take alcohol. Since I have very sensitive skin, it reacted. I would show you guys video, like this is for real. For 7 days you would see massive results. It is very effective. So guys, guess what I did? After I saw results 3 days, after 3 to 4 days, you won't believe what I did. And I was like, okay, let me apply this cream on my lap since I have strawberry skin on my lap and I haven't been using scrub to exfoliate my skin. So I applied this cream on my lap the night and I went to bed. The next morning I woke up, I was shocked. Like, I checked it in the afternoon. Like, I regret. I regret not applying this cream for the very first time I tried this cream. I was shocked. Like, I've been dealing with this for a very long time. So this cream actually works to help you get rid of strawberry skin, any bumps at all. It helps you get rid of any skin irritation. If you have a very dry skin, like I have a very sensitive skin, and that pimples just disappeared, go and grab your own. It is very affordable. Yeah, I would leave a link to their WhatsApp number and their Instagram handle in the description box below. Please make sure you check it out. You need this for any skin irritation. You can also use it whenever you have any skin condition. That is what this cream is basically for. And you can mix it with your cream. Yeah, you can mix it with your cream, but please don't abuse this cream. If you're going out in the afternoon, make sure you use your sunscreen. I would advise you to apply it at night. And guess what? You can use this cream to get rid of spots at your back. I'm so lucky I own a pack of this cream, you guys. You can use it to get rid of spots down there. Use it to lighten your armpits. You can use it to lighten your thigh. You can use it to lighten your V. There are some cream you use and you start having green vein, eczema, hyperpigmentation, you need Olaybact to get rid of it. It will help you fade your stretch mark. It will help you get rid of dark spots, pimple and strawberry skin and tiny bumps after waxing your armpits and down there, your V. It will help you get rid of it. It is very affordable. If you are dealing with cream reaction after using any cream, you need Olaybact to help you get rid of it. You don't have to abuse this cream. If you are using it in the afternoon or you're going out under the sun, you make sure you use your sunscreen. Just the work more than the price. It is very, very effective and it is so affordable, guys. Like, wow, this is actually what people sell for like 4,000, 5,000 naira, but it is just here. You can even get the full pack. You need this at home. People are already mixing this with their cream and they're selling it to you. Some of your cream vendors, your organic skincare vendors, are already mixing Olaybact with their cream. Make sure you have Olaybact at home. You can use it on your kids. If they have any reaction, any rashes after shaving, after barbing their hair, you can just apply it at that area and then you see the magic. Then you come back and thank me later. I won't advise you to abuse this cream or you start using it as your regular day-to-day cream because it will get used to your skin. Try to use it for like a week or whenever you have any skin condition after waxing to avoid irritation, but people are already mixing it with their cream. And since I have a very sensitive skin, I had to share it with somebody so I can get review from a May, and he was like, wow, this cream actually works. I saw changes on my face and I was like, yeah, it works for antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory. You need Olaybact. You can use it to lighten your armpits, you can use it to lighten your thigh, you can use it to lighten your V, all those stuff that appears after shaving, you know, all those disgusting things that irritate you. You need Olaybact to fight all those stuff after waxing, after shaving. You don't have to start getting 15,000, 5,000, 10,000 naira, whatever skincare product. To prevent any skin disease, any skin irritation, you need Olaybact. Getting a pack is more preferable because getting a pack is also very affordable. You can also get one, but I would advise you to get a pack anyways. Leave a comment below if you know you have tried this Olaybact cream. Share your experience with me. Let's have a conversation below. Stay tuned for more skincare video, more feminine hygiene video, more girl talk, more vlog, and make sure you subscribe. I have more skincare video, how to mix your organic black soap, how to use your organic black soap, exposing organic skincare brand, how to use your organic black soap, skincare do's and don'ts. Please make sure you check it out. I'll link it in the description below. Stay tuned for more skincare videos. Subscribe for more girls talk. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Lizzie Akimble. Okay, and make sure you don't forget to grab your Olaybact. Okay, you can use this on your kids if they have any reaction. So guys, I hope you find this video educating. I hope you find it fun. Thank you guys so much for being here again. Please make sure you subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Hey.